here at the Art of Living International Center for Mahashivratri Celebrations 2025. Just have a look. See the lights. People are sitting there. That's the Guru Paduka Vanam. We'll just go there in a while. I've taken Sankalpa. I have to go and collect my band so that I can sit in the Sankalpa enclosure. Let me get that. This is Divine Services. I've shown this in previous videos also, this area. There's Ojasvita stand. Divine Services store. You can buy all requirements you need. True Crew. Ojas station. That's the B Yogi store. You can buy B Yogi apparel and stuff here. That's the Madhurya store next to Divine Services and opposite the VDS office. You can buy all exquisite Madhurya items here, and even you can order them online. This is the VDS office opposite Madhurya. This is where you have to collect a receipt and wristband from which we'll go and sit in the Sankalpa enclosure. That's Cafe Vishala, all lit up at night for this grand, auspicious, divine night of Mahashivratri. That's the Cafe Vishala sign. And that's the actual cafe. I've shown this a number of times in other videos, but here it is again. Those are some of the items they serve and the prices. They even have sweet treats here, cakes, pastries. These are the prices. That's the B Yogi store in front of the VDS office. And that's the Vishalakshmi Mandap. We're just walking towards that. That's the Art of Living store, fruit stall, and the information center. And just we are walking towards Vishalakshmi Mandap. These are some of the projects and initiatives of the Art of Living. And there it is, the beautiful and majestic Vishalakshmi Mandap at the Art of Living International Center, the signature landmark and monument of the Art of Living, by which people recognize the organization and the place. It's in the shape of a beautiful lotus flower. This is the amphitheater. A lot of satsangs with Gurudev happen here. And right in front of it is the Vishalakshmi Mandap. This is where people sit. Over there is the satsang area where the satsang singers sit. And this is where all the people sit opposite. Got my wristband. Forgot to show this. That's the wristband for the Sankalpa. And now walking towards the Guru Paduka Vanam and Sankalpa enclosure. Looking forward to a great night. See this. See the crowd. See the energy. There are stalls over here. Now see this.
In meditation we feel we are inside a pillar of energy which extends to the infinity in all directions. First you feel the pillar and then you let go. You will feel that you are part of the whole and the universe. Shiva Tattva, Shiva Principle.
यत्सञ्चयोऽस्त्रमनुरायते पिता तदस्यापतवरुद्रप्रणीतौ मानो महान्तमुदमानो अनर्थकं मानवक्षन्तमुदमानवक्षितम्
This is the line and queue for the Prasadam, Shivaratri Prasadam. More Prasad is being distributed here at this stall. This is the next set of Prasadam, yellow rice, or I think it's lemon rice, not sure. And this bhelpuri like thing. This is also a Shishi Tattva stall number 20, from where you can buy Shishi Tattva products, personal care products, food products. It's all available here. This is a Shankara stall. That's a Heiner Green Energy Solution stall. Many more stalls here. Got these roasted ragi chips from True Crew for 129 rupees. Guilt-free snacking. I had this last time also, it was really good. See these beautiful lights on at night. That is what we get for the Sankalpa. I'll just show you what they have inside. That is what we get for the Sankalpa, Rudra Puja Sankalpa. That's a Rudraksh.
Shiva Shiva Shambho. Everyone up. Shiva Shiva Shiva. Hands up. Shiva 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 Shambho. Mahadeva Shambho. Mahadeva Shambho. Mahadeva Shambho. Mahadeva Shambho. Shiva 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 Shambho. Mahadeva Shambho. Shiva 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 Shambho. Mahadeva Shambho. Shekara Sura Duri Dora Nivi Tu Saranga Vita Ujakkara Samale Ivatta Jata Chuta Kandi Chiraya Jaya Damsha Kora Bandhu Shekara Dhananjaya Hudingata Vipita Panchasayakam Namanni Limbanayakam Sudhamayukalekaya Virajamana Shekaram.
The light which was in the form of huge Shivlingam, and the light welcomed him and said, I am attributeless, formless, but I am.
Lights illuminate the Bangalore ashram on Shivratri night. This is the queue at Cafe Vishala at 12:30 a.m. Night of Shiva, everybody is awake, no one sleeps. Even Cafe Vishala is open. I'm at Cafe Vishala. I got this mixed veg and roti for 210 rupees. 170 for the mixed veg and 40 for the roti. That's the reception of the Art of Living International Center. As soon as you enter, it's on the right. That's the inside of the reception of the Art of Living International Center. Nice, beautiful picture of Gurudev. Going for Rudra Homa, it's going on. The last and final event of Mahashivratri celebrations. Rudra Homa is going on. It starts at 4 a.m. Very powerful and meditative it is. What a night that was. The Rudra Puja, the satsangs, the mantras, the cultural performances, the energy, and the final culmination, the Rudra Homa. Whew, beyond words. Third time attending this in person at the Art of Living International Center. Like I always say, it is a must attend. All Shiv Bhakts, Sanatanis who want to have an extraordinary Shivratri celebration and a night they'll never forget, come here to the Art of Living International Center. It happens every year. It's a must attend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Har Har Mahadev, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.